Is your device running out of storage space? Discover how to reclaim your precious storage in just a few simple steps. On Windows, start by clicking the Windows Start menu, then navigate to Settings, System, and finally Storage. You'll see a bar graph showing your total storage, used space, and free space. Enable Storage Sense to automatically delete temporary files and manage space efficiently. On Mac, open the Apple menu, go to System Settings, General, and then Storage. A color-coded bar graph will display how much storage space you have used and what type of data is consuming it. Free up space by storing files in iCloud or uninstalling unused apps. For iPhone users, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, and then iCloud to manage your storage. You can offload unused apps to keep their data while freeing up space. On Android, open Settings, tap Device Maintenance or Device Care, and then Storage. A detailed page will show you the percentage of storage used and the types of data consuming it. Uninstall apps you no longer use or back up files to a cloud service like Google Drive. Chromebook users, click the time in the lower right corner, then the gear icon to open Settings. A bar graph will show your used and available storage along with a breakdown of data usage. Delete offline files or move them to Google Drive to free up space. Remember, simply dragging files to the trash won't free up space. You must empty the trash. Traditional hard drives run slower when over half full, unlike solid-state drives. Gamers and heavy users need more space than those who use their devices for basic tasks. Check your storage regularly to ensure your device runs smoothly. Freeing up storage can enhance your device's performance and extend its lifespan. Take control of your storage space today and keep your device running at its best.